What's good, everybody? I'm the Reca. We back out here. I am currently in my room. It's kind of messy. I'm cleaning out everything, making arrangements and making things better. Sorted out. Right now, the basement's getting redone too because this is a fridge right here. It's getting pulled out because we're getting one upstairs. So the one upstairs is coming downstairs, and the one that's right there is getting pulled out and scrapped somewhere, something like that. But I'm putting on my shoes right now because apparently I have a package, and I'm gonna go get that. Probably unbox it outside. A little outside video. See, I got the new cut. Doing some twists now. Yeah, give me a second. We'll go get my package, and I'll see you in a sec. All right, everybody. We just back up here a little bit, just in case. All right. Okay. So we got the box. Got my knife here. Keep the cap on there just to be safe. Let's go ahead and open this up. Really? Okay, anyway. Getting into this box here. It's from Goat. I believe. Yeah, okay. This is what I think it is, okay. Anyway, so this is from Goat. I ordered these maybe about a week ago now? No, not a week. Just under a week ago. I ordered them on Memorial Day. So, about the 25th of May. Yeah, I ordered them on May 25th. And they're just now getting here because of Memorial Day. So we had, there was no business day that day. On the box you see here, Go Verified. On here, it's also on the other side as well. Anyway, let's see. I think I know what pair this is that I ordered. I'm hoping they look as good as they did in the online review thing. Wow. These look perfect. They're a little bit creased up, they were a used pair, but I ain't worried about that because I'm going to be wearing them anyway. The soles are a little bit yellowed, but for the most part, they do look pretty well. Well conditioned. They don't look like they were too beat up, maybe worn a couple of times. The other one is in here as well. I got the Goat sticker, I believe that this is. Yeah, the Goat sticker. Usually what you get with Goat orders. Go ahead and put this in here. Put the box on the ground. They didn't have a box, so I got them cheaper, which is nice. But they do look very good. They don't have any bad smell, so they were going to go clean. So Goat did clean them out and get them all fixed up and stuff like that. But these are the Emerald 11 low top. I am a big fan of these. I saw them when they were originally going to come out, and I don't know why I didn't strike on them and take a chance on them and get them right away. But I mean, these look for the most part, they look like they weren't even worn, so I'm happy with that. So I'm gonna get some shots of them, and then I'm gonna let you guys see that. This colorway was dropped for Easter. It was supposed to be like the Easter colorway. They're called the iridescent or emeralds. I like to call them that. Emeralds iridescent is cool, but I think emerald sounds cooler. Think of that like Wizard of Oz or Emerald City or stuff like that. But their laces are pretty much crisp white. They're not ruined or anything. If you notice on these 11s, what's different about them is this is not mesh, it's leather, which is pretty cool. Most of them do have mesh here. And I think this is a good touch. It adds a little more slick and classy look to the shoe. And I am and from far away, when I first saw them, if the light's not hitting them in a certain way, they almost look like the Concord lows. But then you get up close and you see this green and you're like, oh crap, wow, these are pretty cool. So I'm gonna get some shots of these and I'll edit those into a little clip montage type of thing. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this sticker next to them while I do this. Shout out Go Back for these kicks. They came in pretty quick for even being a holiday in between. And yeah, let's get into the clips. while we're on the topic of shoes and the 11s, I think I might lace these up like how I want them right now too. So I might put the camera down by my feet and show you guys what I'm gonna do for the lacing and how I want to lace them up, and maybe try some different styles of lacing with these, because I have seen a couple different ways you can lace these up. I've seen ways you can make them look cooler, look, you know, more unique and stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna do that now. Take this one sticker that's in the shoe out of here, and then I will show you the clips of me trying to lace them up. So right now what I have on is the Adidas Inicky Boost, the I-5923 Boost. I got these laces from Lace Lab. They're the off-white, you know, neon green laces. They have a bunch of different kinds you can get from them that are like that. They have rope laces, all those like things. You can also check out Rope Lace Supply. They're pretty good too. They got some good ones. And right now these are kind of tight, so what I'm gonna do is this: loosen this top one up, slide my foot in, nice comfortable fit, you already know. And I want to do like a loose fit, so let's do one of these. I'm gonna take this all the way out of here. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna start loosening them up towards the top. I'm gonna go down slowly to which one I feel like I should stop at, and then now that I've got it right where I kind of want it, I'm gonna tighten each one just a little bit so it's not too loose. I'm gonna do this, bring it up here, and I'm gonna let it hang like this. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So I'm gonna let them hang off the edge. Not too far, because you don't want them to be scraping on the floor and then you're gonna ruin your laces over time. But just far enough so that you know that they're hanging off and they're not sitting, you know, right up with your foot. So that's what that one looks like. I'm gonna go ahead, or you could also do it the other way so that it just goes straight down. So like this, I'll give you an example. You bring this over here. I might actually do this instead. Oops. Or you do this. And I almost do like this better, just because it goes straight down. You don't gotta worry about it going too far down. But you also gotta leave it loose, like this. I think I'm gonna do it that way. I think that looks cool too. So I might do that. But now that I got that done, I'm gonna do the other one, which is this one. Obviously, we got this one up already. And let's see what it looks like. So now we got, if you want these, I'll put a link to it, like a link in the bio in the description. I'll put a link in the description for a pair like these. These are like one of the essential shoes that I have. Just a couple pairs of these, and they're like one of my most shoes that I wear around casually and stuff like that. But I think I'm gonna start wearing these more, because I've been getting more into like Jordans and stuff like that. I mean, I've always had Jordans, like when I was like in school and stuff like that. But like recently, I've just been more of like into the Boost line and rocking like some certain basketball shoes casually and stuff like that. So let me loosen up these how I want them again. Same as the other shoe. Once you get to where you want it, loosen everything out, tighten everything where you want it to be tightened. Do this last one right here. Okay, and we're gonna do this like I said last time. Boom, bring it down. Okay, get the other one, put it through and down. Boom. That's kind of how I'm gonna have them rock. That's just how I'm gonna rock. Like this. Man, I like these a lot. These are comfortable. They look good. They feel good. Yeah, I think this is one of my new essential shoes. Alright guys, like I said before, I'll leave a link in the description to go directly to this kick that I'm wearing now, which is the Emerald 11 Low, as well as a link to the site where you can get the I-5923 or Inicky Boost. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you didn't, let me know what you want to see more of. Leave a like, leave a comment. You know, I ain't gonna ask you to subscribe, that's your choice. But you know what the right decision is. Yo, peace the fuck out.